Hey dancers, it's Hannah and I've got a fun jazz routine for you today to the song It Could Have Been Me from the movie Sing 2. So in this video, I'm going to break the moves down step by step, and then there's a separate video I'll pop in the comments below where you can dance along with the music. So let's get started with our feet together. And we're going to start with 8 little taps on our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fab. Then we jump our feet apart and we clap our hands 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then shoot them out next to you. Fab. Then we're going to do a really big rainbow, big windmill over, down, and then reach up, and then back down. And another windmill, and this time it's just one hand and it bursts open. Good. So let's do just that little beginning bit together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strong. And windmill. Reach up and down. Windmill and burst. Good job. Then it's the chorus bit that I bet lots of you will know. So he says, I can't hear you. And then I don't, we're going to jump our feet together, fear you. So let's do that little bit again. I can't hear you. I don't fear you. Perfect. Then we repeat our rainbows that we already know. So we do a big rainbow, reach up and down, rainbow, and a big burst. Then again, I can't hear you. I don't fear you. Fabulous. Let's try all of that from the beginning and then we can learn the next bit. So hands on your knees, we tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strong. Windmill it over, up, down. Windmill and burst. Ready? I can't hear you. I don't fear. Rainbow again, over, up and down. Over and burst. Here we go. I don't hear you. I don't fear you. Fabulous. Let's carry on. So from here, we're going to sweep our arms all the way up. Good job. And then we're going to do a big step out and look at our hand. And then the other way, look at our hand. And then you give yourself a big hug. And the words are wrapped in your regret, I think. Then we're going to cross our feet and open our arms strong. And then turn all the way around. And then strong. Throw it down. And you can open your hands then as well. So from our fear, we take them up. We go wrapped in your regret. What a waste of blood and sweat. Good, well done. You're then going to jump your feet apart and open. So we go open, cross, spin all the way around. Good, very well done. Let's try it from the beginning up to there. So pop those feet together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strong. Over the top, up and down. Over the top and burst. Chorus goes. I can't hear you. I don't fear you. We go again. Over, up, down, over, and burst. Here we go. I can't hear you. I don't fear you. Take the arms up. Then we go wrapped in your regret. What a waste of blood and sweat. Jump, cross, spin. Nice, well done. All right, we're then going to take a heel dig, and at the same time, we're going to do an elbow with our opposite arm. And it's really strong, and it's quite slow, so you've got lots of time. So we go strong, and then a big burst. Burst, and look at your hand. Then we repeat the other way. Strong, and burst. Look at your hand. Bring your hands up to take 2 slides. Slide in, and then jump, cross, turn. Good. Let's do that new bit. So from our second fear, we've got wrapped in your regret. What a waste of blood and sweat. Jump, cross, spin. Then we go heel and burst. Again, heel and burst. Here are the slides. Slide in, slide in. Good job. And then jump, cross, turn around. Looking good. Then we repeat the heels. We go heel and burst, heel and burst. And then to finish our little dance today says, it could have been me. We're going to take our hand across. It could have been me. Then the other side. It could have been me. And then there's a woo at the end. So we're going to take our hands up, big jump, and then sparkle it down. Good, well done. All right, let's do the whole thing from the beginning and see if we can remember it all. So we start with our knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and clap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, strong. Over the top, reach up and down. Over the top and burst. Here we go. I can't hear you. I don't fear you. Windmill over, up and down. Over and burst. Again. I can't hear you. I don't fear you. Take the arms up. Then we go wrapped in your regret. Cross the feet and sweat. Jump. Good. Then we go. Elbow and burst. Elbow and burst. Slides, slide and slide and jump, cross, turn. Heel again. Heel and burst. Heel and burst. It could have been me. Other side. It could have been me. And star and wiggle it down. Thanks for dancing with me today. Once you think you know all of those moves and you're ready for the music, click the link in the comments below and you can dance along with the music with me.